Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy up in this winter wonderland.
It's Christmas time! I decided to paint only the top half of the rock and tape the rest off for a clean edge. I sponged on 3 different colors of blue, and I used this sponging tool to mix the blues together softly. And then afterwards I put little white dots all over and sprinkles so it looks like snow. I like old-fashioned Christmas art like Norman Rockwell, but I also like to put a modern spin on it. That's what I wish to accomplish with this Santa reindeer rock painting. Now for the fun part.